Today I want to share a crucial step my team and I take when getting a home ready to list for sale, and that's a lighting audit. A good lighting can make all the difference in how a home feels and looks both online and in person. During our lighting audit, we will go through each room, checking every light to ensure they work properly, that they provide the right ambiance, and that ambiance can come from the bulb or the fixture or the lamp itself. And even a single burned out bulb can say, this home isn't looked after, to a potential buyer. So we really want to avoid that. It's so easily avoidable. What we'll do after that, we'll replace any burnt out bulbs, we'll upgrade ones that need upgrading, even recommend new fixtures if necessary. We might even get them and install them for you. That's a possibility. Now here's an example. These pot lights had a couple of bulbs out, but after replacing them, yes, yours truly up on a ladder, I did make it down, and abracadabra, the room looks much brighter and more inviting and will be much better for pictures. I can't stress it enough, proper lighting makes your home shine in online listings and impresses potential buyers when they visit. If you're thinking about selling your home, remember that great lighting will set the stage for a successful sale. If you want more tips on preparing your home for sale, follow me for more insights on getting your home market ready. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.